Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram not working on your Android phone. So without wasting any time, let's jump right into it. Solution 1. Update the Instagram app. Step 1. Open the Play Store app on your Android phone. Step 2. Tap on the search bar and type Instagram. Step 3. If an update is available, you will see an update button. Tap it to install the latest version. Solution 2. Clear storage and cache. Step 1. Open the Settings app. Step 2. Scroll down and tap on App Management. Step 3. Tap App List. Then find and select Instagram. Step 4. Tap Storage and Cache. Step 5. First tap Clear Cache. Step 6. Then tap Clear Data and confirm. Solution 3. Update your Android software. Step 1. Open Settings. Step 2. Scroll down and tap on System. Step 3. Tap Software Update. Step 4. If an update is available, install it. Keeping your system updated can fix app compatibility issues. Solution 4. Reinstall the Instagram app. Step 1. Locate the Instagram app on your home screen. Step 2. Press and hold the icon, then tap Uninstall in the pop-up menu. Step 3. Confirm by typing OK. Step 4. Now open Play Store. Step 5. Search for Instagram, then tap Install. Step 6. Once installed, open the app and login it again. And that's it for today's video. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more quick tutorials and smartphone tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.